Good afternoon, welcome. This is Neco English Past Question Year 2018 Test of Oral, question number 6. So we are still using the same instruction to answer this question, looking out for the word among the list of options that contains the same vowel sound as represented in the underlined letter in the given word. The given word here is table and letter A is underlined. So the letter A here sound as A, and in vowel sound this is A sound. This is sound. So table can be transcribed in this form. Table. So option A, we have the word called alright, alright, which is long or, then we have it transcribed in this way. Alright. The option B is gray. You can hear that, gray. So it is transcribed as this, gray, gray. The option C is I. Option D is pronounced as key. That is the correct, not que, as people will pronounce it, key. It has the same sound production with the word called key that we use to open and lock door, or open and unlock and lock door, and so on and so forth. It has the same pronunciation, key, and that's why we say 50% of the English words are synonymous in pronunciation. The option E is pronounced as tear. Tear is pronounced, transcribed as this, tear. Vowel number 12 accompanies it. Tear. This is S sound with vowel number 12, which is sure. Then it is not necessary, you can also add it R in brackets, then that gives us the transcription for tear. So with this transcription, option B is our correct option because it has the same vowel sound as in the given word. Thank you and God bless you, and sure you subscribe for more of our videos.